Okay, hello everyone. So today we have a special guest, Anton. He's the founder and CEO of EroPlay.ai. Anton, it's nice to have you on this conversation, on this podcast. So can you tell me, can you tell us more about your product? What is EroPlay and what does it do? How you got this idea?
Hello, thank you for introduction. Our our product leverages AI for erotic communication, and this is like a mainstream idea of this year. So the huge improvements in the field of AI uh, make the way for startups like this. So we use text models, visual models to build conversations with photos, with different interactive features between user and AI.
Okay, great. And just, the obvious question, why don't you use OpenAI models for that?
Hmm.
Possible?
They are not suited for uncensored communication. All models that are developed by OpenAI are really censored, and it gives us no options to use them.
Okay.
So we are looking for open source models only.
Great. So this is how you found the Grid4AI, right? So
Yeah.
because to run some models. Okay, so yeah, and which features do you use? Like, as I know, you use the text to image and also text generation models, right?
Mm-hmm. We started from text generation, and we found it convenient that we could try several different models, compare them, prompt them on using web interface, and like build our own benchmark, like what models better suit our needs. After that, we have chosen one model. I think that I cannot tell the name of this model because it's like our commercial secret, but we found it on this website, and now we use it in production. So then we moved to image generation. We use image generation from Gen 4, Grid 4 on our website as well, and it was convenient as well to try different models to try image generation just in web interface. Your site provides meta parameters, and they're set up in web interface. So our procedure looks like this. We first try to do it in browser, and then we switch to API to use it on our website.
Okay, so basically you are trying to find the better models, the better setup for these models. You are trying the Grid4AI web dashboard to compare models, to compare the different parameters of these models, and then you found out which models suit you better, right? Is it
Yeah,
what this
yeah.
is look like? Okay, nice. Yeah, and your target audience is United States or any other countries? What is
The vast majority of our paying users is from the United States. So also we have paying audience from Europe and Australia. So actually we work all over the world. And for us, it's important to have good performance no matter where the visitor is in. Um, yes, that's all.
Yeah, because it's important if your customers are in different parts of the world. I guess your infrastructure is located in different areas to reduce the pings and so on. And that's why we and Grid4AI also have this on the edge kind of computations. So to reduce the pings and improve the speed. So yeah, so basically you use this kind of 100%. So, and do you have any other ideas except for images and texts? How about audio? you plan to maybe?
Yes, we're looking to it. We have plans for the nearest future to introduce voice and maybe also video content that is also generated by AI. So so now we don't support it, but it's our nearest plans. So if you will have this on your service, we will definitely look into this feature and maybe use as well.
Yeah, actually, this is in beta, so yeah, let's try on your product. Just a general question: what do you think about AI? So, how do you envision the life like in 3 or 5 years? Do you think AI will improve? Do you think that it will replace some jobs? You know?
Yeah, I think that AI can change the world much more than it changed now, because now we are at the stage of early adoption, and the instruments are huge, but the adoption, the implementation of these instruments lacks. And I think that people will, in the nearest future, they will find more and more implementations for the intelligent tools that are provided today, and this will change the world even more. Actually, I think that the influence of AI on the world can be as big as like the influence of the rise of internet or the invention of electricity. So it's the major change to the world. But I don't think that humanity is under risk. It's just the change, but not a dramatical change. I think it should make the life of people even better.
Yeah. So the life of the people is getting better because of products like yours, like other products, because these are particular use cases how people use AI
Yeah.
in different areas. So, but there is an infrastructure things, and you as a product owner, as a CEO of the company, you don't want to spend time on managing the infrastructure. You just want to focus on your own idea, how to improve the user experience, how to attract more customers. So this is your primary focus. So that's why we really back guys like you, like the visionaries, the leaders, just to reduce this stress of managing AI, because you know there is a huge
Yeah,
AI
yeah.
under the hood. So yeah.
Everyone has his own job, so we want to make our service, our business, and rely on infrastructure that we can rely on. So if you cover these problems for us, we can focus on our service, and that's the best idea of business separation.
Yeah. So on our side, we all always try to make the developer experience as easy as possible. So the reliability, the variety of the models that you can use, because as you mentioned, yeah, the AI will change the world, and actually there are different models for different use cases, and there are so many of them. And yeah, we just include that and allow like these companies like yours. Use that with as little friction as it possible. So yeah, thank you very much, Anton. I think your product is really great, and I see the potential of it, and I saw some friends told me about that. That's why I reached you out, and it just so happened that you used our infrastructure. So yeah, so that's really great progress, and I wish you guys luck, success, and you can always rely on our infrastructure. So thank you.
Yeah. Thank you for this interview, and welcome everyone to EroPlay.ai. Try and see how it works and how it works on your infrastructure.
So there will be a link in the description below. Please give a like and subscribe. So, and yeah, see you. Bye-bye.
Thank you. Bye.
Bye. Thanks.